Hi, welcome to today's Inktober. The word today is roasted, but I couldn't bring myself to paint any roasted animals. So today is a non-roasted chicken or rooster. I'm not 100% sure which one this is. And the picture was given to me on my Anna Marie's Big Art Competition Facebook page. So shout out for that as well. Thank you. It was an awesome image. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do enjoy it, please give it a like and share it and subscribe. I'm going to try to do Inktober for the whole month. I've done incredibly well so far. I think I've done 2 and I'm feeling pretty pleased about that. So thanks for joining and for commenting.